Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today we're going to talk about something fun. The Pixel 6 Pro is the best smartphone camera for taking food pictures. Yeah, that's what the video is about. I thought about this, and even if only 500 people watch this video, I'm not making this video expecting to get like a ton of interest in watching it. But I'm kind of known for this. I have a problem. Anytime I go eat food, I have to take pictures of it. And some phones are not created equal. They all have their limitations. They all have their shortfalls. They all have things they're good at. The Pixel 6 Pro is the best camera for taking pictures of your food. And we're going to talk about that in this video. But before we get into that, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, I hope you're hungry. If you're not, you will be. Go eat something after this video because I'm going to... you're going to hate me after this. But if you enjoy the video, then please hit the like and the subscribe button while you're sitting there eating your McDonald's after you're done. And please hit the notification bell so you can get updates when new videos come out. Now let's have some fun looking at some food pictures and talking about the camera. So I've never made a video like this before. Honestly, 100% upfront. But I can guarantee you that two things will happen if you watch this video all the way to the end. One, all the proceeds will go to buy more food, and you'll leave this video hungry. I can almost guarantee it. So the Pixel 6 Pro has amazing cameras. You've got a telephoto lens, you got a primary, and you got an ultra wide. So what does that mean? The primary is your normal everyday camera and allows you to shoot pictures of stuff. Then the ultra wide allows you to zoom out and get those really wide angle stuff. That doesn't so much apply to food. So we're kind of going to not talk about that one today. And then you get the telephoto. The telephoto is what allows you to do that optical zoom to zoom in without using the electronic zoom, and you get lossless pictures because it's just like you're using a telescope, a miniature little camera telescope. So this will allow you to take amazing pictures. And because the Pixel is so good at low light, it's so good at every light, you can catch your chicken parmigiana at the right angle, you can catch your spaghetti at the right angle, you can take a picture of your Captain Crunch with the light on over the kitchen counter, and you're going to get a good photo. If you're like me, and when your food gets sat down at the table, you're already grabbing your phone and thinking of the right angle to capture that picture of your lasagna and your barbecue, this phone is for you. And that could be the Pixel 6 even, because if you don't want to spend $899, the Pixel 6 has the same primary camera, so you can get some amazing photos. I wish it had a macro lens because the iPhone really allows you to get it like super close, like those National Geographic photos, but this one, I went out and ate some food. Like I went to Olive Garden. You can see the mozzarella sticks. You can see the chicken gnocchi soup. You can see the breadstick. I mean, shoot, I even made a little pyramid with some Andes mints, and you can see those. So fantastic for this stuff. And what's also nice is food brings people together. So when you're at the table and you want to take pictures of your loved ones, when you go to the restaurant, you're going to be stuck there and you're going to have poor lighting. And poor lighting is what makes cameras bad. If you've got a good camera in low light, it's probably not as good. If you've got a great camera, then it's usually okay. When you get there and you sit down and you're especially romantic meal, you've got the light right in the center, and then you've got the person opposite you on the other side of the table. There's some light things going on. It's usually yellow light. Here's some pictures I took with my wife because, of course, she's gorgeous and I love taking pictures of her, so she always makes a great camera sample. When you are taking pictures at the dinner table, this allows you to get epic photos of not only your food, but whoever you're eating with. So if you go out with your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, whoever you're sitting there with dinner, sharing a meal with, even with family, you can get those intimate moments captured on video and on your camera. And then you can upload them straight to social media because there's this great thing that it does. So when you're in here and you take a picture, over here, snap the photo, it instantly pulls this up and you can upload it to Facebook, to Instagram, to Facebook Messenger. I think even like Snapchat and other stuff if you get those. I'm old. I don't use Snapchat. So when Snapchat first came out, it wasn't something I was using because it certainly wasn't just for talking to people. It wasn't for sharing food pictures. So I'm an old guy. I don't use Snapchat. But yes, this phone is fantastic. If you want to go out and take pictures, I got this amazing picture of this tortilla chip. Terrible lighting, delicious chip. You can see the salt on there, all the stuff. Go with me on this. I know this is a little bit out there, but there are people who really enjoy this. and I'm always sharing pictures on Twitter. And it's what's killed me about the embargo on this phone, because I couldn't talk about it. Like, I couldn't share my photos. I'm sitting there and I'm taking these amazing photos of food, and I can't share them with everybody on Twitter. So this phone, if that's what you're into, if you want a top-of-the-line flagship phone that's going to give you the perfect shot almost every single time, that can handle the lighting situations, that can get pictures of whoever you're sitting at the dinner table with, or even yourself. Sometimes maybe you're at the bar, maybe you're sitting there and it's low light and there's a lot of stuff going on and you want to snap a good picture of yourself. You can do that too, because the selfie camera is fantastic and it works great in low light and night mode. So this right here, not a real long video. You got to see all the food pictures. I know you're hungry now. I know you enjoyed this. So maybe if you're hungry for a new phone, you can get the Pixel 6 Pro or even the Pixel 6. I highly recommend them. I think they're fantastic, and I think the cameras are something special. Like, as soon as I started taking pictures with this, I was like, wow, this takes some incredibly good photos, and I think you've seen that here. So that's all I got in this video. Hopefully this was fun and you enjoyed it. A different stretch on something, a different angle I wanted to try just because I was thinking about it. And I've had so many people, and it was even funny, one of my buddies is like, man, this embargo needs to lift so I can see those pictures. I'm going through withdrawals, not seeing food pictures. You may find it silly. If you watched it this far, I know you don't find it silly because you do the same thing. And this phone is perfect for it. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.